And good morning, this is Natalie with Discover Real Estate. I am in Granada today with 3 girlfriends who came to visit me from the United States. And we're in a hammock factory in Granada. So Liz is looking at buying this hammock. And this is also the place where they have the Cafe de Samisa, which is for deaf people. So it's sign language. So there's sign language on the wall and stuff. And let me take you over here and show you where they make the hammocks. So they're making along that wall back there one that'll hold 60 people. It'll go in the park when they have it finished. So let me show you this. It's really long. So they've got this. This will hold 60 people when it's all finished. So let me take you up and show you. They're making the hammocks here. So very fast. And then over here they have a big store where they got different hammocks and chairs and different types of hammocks without the wood, with the wood. So they've got everything and anything in here. And they got the chairs. And I just bought a little hammock for my cats. So this is a kitty cat hammock. So I bought one of those. But yeah, we're gonna be touring around Granada today, so I'll take some videos of everything. And I love the lamps in here. Okay, Liz bought 2 hammocks and a chair, and they protected it with paper and then lots of saran wrap and made a carry handle so we can just check it in at the airport. So very, very nice place. Well, I'm gonna video the outside of the building so you can find it easier. But it's right along the main road coming into Granada, right before you get to the church. So just down there, that's the church part at the end. And this building is yellow and like second building from the next block up. So it's 2 blocks up from the church park, almost 2 full blocks from the church park, and a big yellow building here. There's the name of the building, the name of the business. It's a great place to buy hammocks. Thank you. Gracias. And now we're outside of the big church, right at the church park. And there's something really funny here. I've never seen this before. So I love this little horse. But you get to ride it. You pay 30 Cordoba and you can have your photo on the horse. It's cute. But yeah, there's a big church park here with food vendors and crafts and arts and crafts vendors and stuff. So also here along the church park are all the carriages. You can go on a horse-drawn carriage ride around town, and they give you a little bit of history of the town, and the carriages all look so pretty. But it's really, really hot today, and all the seats are vinyl, so we'll have swamp butt if we sit on them. Our butts will be wet from sweat because it's already running down our backs and into our butt cracks. So we're skipping the carriage ride today, but we're gonna go to the lake now and take a tour around the islands. Oh yeah, there's monkeys. We're on the boat tour of the islands now, and this is Isleta de los Monos. So.
Where did he go? Oh, there he is. Okay. He's hiding now. There he is. He's chilling.
Yeah, he is.
Hey now. These ones are mean. What's that mud thing on that tree?
Termite.
Termite.
That's the mud thing you wanted to know about.
Yeah.
That is termite mound right there.
Oh, gosh.
That's termites.
I'm sorry, actually. Oh, he's sitting right there. Oh.
Check out the lily pad.
Right?
that live on the islands come here for
I
school.
wondered what they would have done for education.
And up here, this is a restaurant, so you can bring a boat out to this restaurant and enjoy a meal. Man, it's a big. They got like lots of different pavilions to eat on there. Yeah. Oh, they even got a swimming pool there. Yeah. It's pretty over here. This place is cool. De France. France. Yeah, this is a French guy owns this.
Look at the little woman here holding.
Yeah, a seashell. Yeah, that's cool. This one's pretty too. ¿Cuánto? 300? Okay, 300,000.
That's not bad.
Why is it here? Like this house right on the edge.
Yeah. Look at that palapa. Wow.
That's cool being right out on the edge of the water like that. I like that. The owner of this is from the U.S. There's another hotel here. Yeah, this is a hotel also. Okay, and here's another hotel and a restaurant. Oh, they got lots of hammocks hanging up. You can just chill in.
Look at all the hammocks.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys just say that? Yeah. Oh, they're acting here over here.
And cool, check out this water slide. I bet that would be fun to go down.
That's what I saw from the distance.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. That water slide would be a lot of fun.
All right, Ashton.
Okay, there is Mambacho, the giant volcano that exploded and created all the islands out here. This is a cool looking house.
Right? Oh, it's being built.
Yeah. They're still building it. That's the owner's from the U.S. and they're still building it. That's going to be a cool house. There's a party barge that you can go out on. Now we gotta put and here we got our traffic jam. Cows at the lake, Lake Nicaragua. He's a big boy. He's coming right in front. Yeah. And here is the famous carriage from Granada at the rotunda. And now we're driving down inside the volcanic crater lake of Laguna de Apoyo. You can see the lake over there. And we're driving down into it.
Natalie,
What?
going down the
Oh, this
slide
is scary.
into the crater lake. Here we go.
I don't know that I want to do it.
Yes, you do. Don't make me push you.
I'm not doing it.
Yes, you are.
It's deep. I'm not doing it.
Go.
Somebody's gotta do it first. I can't get my
Go.
hands out now.
That means you gotta go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. No.
Super far.
No, it's not. It really isn't.
That's way farther than the jump at
No, it just looks like that.
okay, that's way far.
All right, Natalie is going down to the lower platform. Oh. Whee!
I ran and my butt still hit bottom.
Oh, shoot! I was trying to laugh, Natalie, but you know me.
Alright, I sat down on the top of that slide. I had every intention of going down it, and then I chickened out because it's high. And even when I ran and jumped off here, and I got out there and my butt still hit the ground because the lake is low right now because it's dry season. So as soon as the rains start, the water level will come back up and then it'll be okay again. But I'm just a little worried about going down that slide and hitting bottom again. I'm like, no, I'm like jarring my back a second time today. But this is so beautiful here, and they've got the swim platform, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. And then over on that side, that's Granada, over on the other side of the rim. So, and then up there's Catarina. Over there, up there's probably is Catarina, where the overlook is. It's just absolutely beautiful here.
I love my life.
Come
join us.